Welcome back, everybody. This is now part 3 of the Food Fight Garbage Pail Kids fat packs that I got from Target. And we're going to try not to waste any time. Get right into these. Oh, I got the blank card. Check it out. Oh, no, just kidding. We have Chomping Chad, Hydrate Tate, Barf Out Al, Grady Grapefruit, Soupy Candace, Gummy Gunther, Buttercream Maxine, Chocolate Chip, Tex Mex, Ice Cream Sundee, Booger Green Play Paul, the Purple Hydrate Tate. Not really, you know what? This card just pops almost with any color. Even with this purple, and there's not much of any purple in here. There's just a little bit of blue in the window there. We have the Bryce Crispy, the cereal aisle. Psycho Sunny. Booger Green Snack Attack Jack. Dipping Derek. Funnel Finley. Flea Flo. Play Paul. Peter Pellets. Hunter Gatherer. Joe Cone. Saul Shaker. And Marsha Mallow. We have Wax Max, Piper Bag, Dawson Cookies, Tito Burrito, Cherry on Top, Zapped Zach, Blended Billy, Greta Dine, Battling Bev, Trashy Trey, Booger Green Cookie Cutter Cooper. We have the Sweet Simon in the cereal aisle, and Crunch Berry for the cereal aisle. A redemption card. The Purple Cool Wit, Booger Green Chocolate, Moldy Molly, Butchered Butch, Donut Hole Joel, Allergic Nick, Spilled Milt, Foot Cheese Charlie, Connor Sore, and Bad Food Bread. Oh, whoa, one more. Inflamed Colin. Alright, guys, got another couple of the ones that I haven't seen yet. Looks like we got doubles of the Bryce Crispy and Psycho Sonny. But we have Sweet Simon and Crunch Berry. Those look new to me. I don't think I've seen those yet. Coming close to the cereal aisle, at least getting one of each of the 10. I think there is 10. Oh no. I see an 11 right there. There's more. There's 12. Uh-oh. How many do I have to get? Well, apparently there's a lot of those. Looks like I got some work to do. Alright guys, see you in the next video.